The gang back again, Emmanuel Hurley. Today, we're going to be playing with slimes. So, let's take it and to go get some slime. So guys, wait for me. I'm back, guys. And this video might be very short because my thing's about to die. Alright, so slime here. It's my slime. As you know, it's nice and quiet. Take some little water if it's too hard. See? Fill it up. Oh, freak. Okay. I poured the water in. And now, see? It gets sticky. If y'all don't know how it feels, because y'all are watching me, make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you guys know how to make slime, comment down below. And camera. People say that people that can't handle sticky slime, they don't have sticky slime hands, so they can't get sticky slime. Guys, do you guys comment down below if y'all think that makes sense? Alright, guys, we're gonna separate some slimes. Get this right. Okay, y'all see, this is one. That's the one. Alright, this, we're gonna add these all the way up. And then got some of this. And then that. Just a little bit more from this. Take that. Good. Alright. Yeah, it's in the nighttime and I'm so tired. Alright, guys. Now we're gonna flatten the slime up. Flat, 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 flat. And guys, I use my headphones as mic. So guys, let me come back, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. As y'all can hear it better, I'm using my mic. Did y'all see, bro? My camera fell down. Dang it. This camera. Guys, there are people in the nighttime screaming outside. People be letting their children's. Do y'all see this? Alright, good, it came off. Alright, so y'all can't mess with me or I come with the shopper yada 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 socket. Second. Alright, so first thing that we're gonna do, take the littlest one from the middle and then put it right there. Take a bottle cap and then put it down. So let me bring it up so y'all can see. Alright guys, hold up. We gotta redo this cause y'all couldn't see, and yeah, and plus I messed up. Alright guys, y'all see it's right here. Alright, so you're gonna take the bottle cap and push it in, and then you're gonna wanna take that, pull it off, and you gotta move it like this, and then take all of the parts off, all, and then pick it up, slow that stuff down, reverse back. Dang it! Hold up, guys. Where does stuff go? They always be falling away. Guys, my stuff always falls away. So, guys, I'm trying to get it. So wait. TikTok. Those things when people be waiting and then be like TikTok. Okay, 3, 2, 1, back up. Okay, I'm back. And then now you can see this. Pat it. Wait a few minutes. Or seconds. Yeah, you gotta wait a few seconds. And then yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I'm doing it bad. Alright, so you get, yeah. Oh no, I'm not doing it bad. Oh yeah, I've changed my mind. And then I'm gonna make a little pizza, y'all. So I have Orbeez in my slime. They're just little though. So we're gonna take the Orbeez out, and then we're gonna put all of the slimes together and make it look like pizza. Oh yeah, we gotta hurry up. My camera's about to die. Alright, put them all together. Okay. Spread it. Actually, we're not going to use the Orbeez. We're going to put the Orbeez right back. The Orbeez will be the sauces in there. That'll be mushrooms. Yo, my camera. Yo. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright. And then take this. Take that. And then doop, finish the pizza. Pick it up. Boom. And turn this on. Alright guys, I gotta post this video. See you guys next time. And make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you subscribe. And comment down below if you know how to make slime. See ya next time. I make a lot of ending videos. Bye bye. Say bye bye to slime.